On parts.cat.com, you can get much more than just parts. It also makes it easier for you to perform repairs and maintenance on your equipment. Just start at the homepage, and from your equipment list, select Shop Parts. You'll be taken straight to your equipment landing page. Once you're there, you'll see the available self-service repair options. Select a repair type from the list. Each option tells you about the required skill level and average repair time. You'll also see a list of parts you'll need to complete the repair safely, including related parts and recommended tools. You'll even get a preview of service instructions. Just add what you need to your cart. You can download your service instructions once you've placed the order. Or let's say it's planned maintenance you're doing. On your equipment page, you can choose a planned maintenance kit to help keep your equipment healthy. Select your service interval, then it's off to order your maintenance kit. Now you're talking. Parts.cat.com, the easy part.